Hey guys, Dallas the CXX train here. Today we got a Septa train arriving, and I don't know what number the Septa train is. It has to be 343 Septa train 336, and it has a cab car leading. This is a Silverliner 4 set, and the leader is 43. Whoa, that's a nice one with a nice crew. Now off it goes. Next stop is Lansdale. Oh my goodness, is that the Penn Central Heritage Unit? Wow, what a rare train with the Penn Central Heritage Unit 401. So I'm just gonna chase that train. I'm gonna chase that train so we can see it. Okay, here we are at Lansdale, and here comes the train. The reason why the train is honking, it's because there's a railroad crossing somewhere over there. So the train should be coming soon. The train is now heading at 39 miles per hour right now. It's coming at the station. And the station also has a railroad crossing system. Yep, that's the railroad crossing system. Okay, now anyways, here comes the train. The railroad crossing system should start going down because the train is coming. Anyways, the train is coming at 39 miles per hour still. Now it's going 46. Whoa. And there goes the Heritage Unit. Wow, with the Penn Central Heritage Unit. So we're not gonna chase this train for long. We're not gonna chase this train for a long time. So the train's next stop is Merrifield. So we're not gonna chase this train beyond because this video is already too. And the doors are closing as the train departs. And there it goes as a horn salute as it departs. And there goes the end of Septa train. The train 3.